Hello, this is Gregory Jackson for GrebJack.com. Welcome back to my tutorial series on creating the framework for an adventure RPG hybrid in RPG Maker MZ. In this lesson, we are going to create trees that can be used to hide secret entrances and consumable torches that can be used to burn them. If you have not already done so, please watch this series from the beginning, as I mostly do not repeat explanations on things that I've already covered, and therefore I assume that you have been following along. Let's get started. The first thing we want to do is create the consumable torch item. Let's go into the Items section of the database, change maximum to 2 and click OK. Select the new item, name it Torch. Give it a description if desired. Set item type to key item. Set consumable to no. Wait a minute, we're supposed to be making consumable torches, right? Yes. So why am I telling you to set consumable to no? Because rather than being consumed on use from the item screen like a potion or food item, these torches will be consumed on interaction with burnable trees. Set scope to none, and set occasion to never. For the image, use icon number 213 and click OK. Now that we've got the torch item defined in the database, let's create a burnable tree. Switch to map 004. Create a new event where you want the burnable tree to be. Name it btree1. Double-click the image box. Click on tileset E from the list. Then select the single gray tree tile and click OK. Set priority to same as characters. Now create a conditional branch command for if the party has a torch. Under the if line, create a play SE command with fire1 as the sound effect. Under the play SE line, put a control self switch command to turn self switch A on. Click New Event Page. On the new page, check the self-switch condition and set it to A. Double-click the image box. Click exclamation point flame in the list. Select the second to last flame tile on the top row and click OK. Check stepping under options to make sure the flame animates. The Fire1 sound effect lasts about 2 seconds, so we want the animated flame to remain on the screen that long. Create a new event command. On page 2, click Wait. Set duration to 120 and click OK. RPG Maker MZ attempts to run at 60 frames per second, and duration is the number of frames we want the event to wait before moving on to the next step in the processing. Under the Wait line, add a Play ME command with Mystery as the music effect. Under the Play ME line, just like we did for the Sortie Rust, we're going to create a Change Item command, but this time it's going to be set to Torch and will decrease it by a constant of 1. Under the Change Item line, add a Control Self-Switch command to turn Self-Switch B on. Make sure that priority is set to same as characters and that trigger is parallel. Now, let's create another new event page with the self-switch condition checked and set to B. For the image, using tileset B, select the first stairs down tile and click OK. The stairs will lead to a new cave which we will not use until the next lesson, so we can go ahead and click OK. So we've got the burnable tree placed, but it cannot be burned unless we have a torch. Switch to map 005. We are going to use a treasure chest to give the player a torch. Right-click where you want the chest to be and create a quick treasure event. Under Content, select Item, set it to Torch, and click OK. That's all there is to it. Let's test the game. Grab the sword. Slash one of the bushes blocking the east exit of map 1. Continue to map 4. Right now, attempting to interact with the burnable tree does nothing. Return to map 1 and slash one of the bushes blocking the south exit. Continue to map 5. Interact with the chest to get the torch. Go back to map 4, and this time when we interact with the burnable tree, it catches fire, and the hidden stairs are revealed. In the next lesson, we are going back into GIMP briefly to create a placeholder tile for a torch, shovel, and pickaxe that can be picked up like the sword. That will not take long, and then we'll be right back into MZ where we'll learn to use them to uncover more secrets. Your homework assignment is to create a burnable tree that does not hide stairs, but just blocks the player movement, and name it btree2. Use a green tree for it. That's it for now. For GrabJack.com, this is Gregory Jackson. Thanks for watching.